Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Toncoin, Dogecoin, and then we'll end it with Cardano. Cardano at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Okay, so Bitcoin is dropping. Okay. It's not looking good. This was actually an inverse head and shoulders. And it's just morphing into something else. A Power Ranger maybe. Anyway, we're probably going to sweep all of these classes of cells over here. Probably taking out these lows. Again, there will be another cluster of sell over here. I'm not sure whether if we're going to be stopping here or here, but all we know is that there are classes of cells here and here. If these two doesn't hold and we continue dropping lower, the next one will be here. Because if we were to drop here, we'll very likely be hitting the skinny pink line. Because once you hit the skinny pink line, that's it. It's bearish. That's it. We move on. Okay, but the weekly is still bullish over here. Look at this. It's a weekly candlestick. Last time we got it over here. Pump! Okay, it's not an immediate pump, right? So we are in some sort of a consolidation. And we're anticipating a bullish reversal eventually. So for that to happen, this low must hold. This weekly hammer has to hold. And so, yeah, again, we think that more likely than not, we're going to sweep all of these lows first. Right? And yeah, it's just not really looking too good. It's not exactly what I would consider as a failure, right? There was no clear breakout of the inverse head and shoulders. So it's just that we are prolonging the consolidation phase. Could this turn into a bearish reversal? Of course, this could. But as it stands, yeah. Or we could even stop at this noisy area over here. It's very noisy over here. So probably around 62,000. There could be a reversal. Can't say for sure. But at this point of time, I would preach caution about going long or short for BTC. Right. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for BTC. Ethereum against BTC, we have been making many attempts to break the skinny pink line. And all the attempts, yeah, didn't really materialize. We are still clearly under the skinny pink line. Look at this, still clearly under it. No signs of a clear break yet. So I would preach caution about rushing into a long or even a short, right? Could Ethereum, break out from the skinny pink line against BTC? Yes, sure, of course. But it has not happened yet. There was already an attempt over here, but it did not happen, right? We dropped even lower. Is there a possibility that we drop even lower over here? Right, another lower low? Yes, sure. So the true confirmation is when we break above, consolidate above it, and continue higher for ETH right? Skinny pink line curves up. A good example would be Binance. ETH against USDT. Here we are for ETH. We are still in a consolidation phase. The symmetrical triangle is still expected to be completed, right? You see this? We're probably coming down for C, A, B, C, D, E. That's the expectation. And then a breakout. Will probably tie in very well with the ETH pair. So at this point of time, we're coming down for a wave C. How low could we go? I think it's potentially around 0.618. I think so. So yeah, watch out for a little bit more downside for Ethereum against USD. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. Is there a possibility that Ethereum drops lower and completes a wave C, A, B, C? Sure, of course. But as it stands, yeah, we don't see it yet. So we remain with our bullish bias for Ethereum. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. Okay, BNB, like I was mentioning for Ethereum just now, BNB is already above the skinny pink line. So against BTC, Binance is already in a bullish trend, clearly above it. We're anticipating a continuation higher. Is there a possibility of things going wrong? Of course. But as it stands, look at it. We're holding this level very well, right? Being above the skinny pink line. BNB is strong. It's super strong against USD. Okay, BNB against USD doesn't really look that good. So as long as BTC is dropping, BNB will very likely follow BTC's path towards the downside against USD. Again, and there are also clusters of cells over here. So the whales of BNB might just clear all of these clusters first before potentially reversing back up. Something like this could happen. But anyway, for Ethereum, we are still loyal to our targets, 1240 and 1566. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for BNB. Solana against BTC. Okay, so Sol is a different story. Sol is is starting to look pretty bearish to me, in the sense that you can see that there are mountains here. 1, mountains, 2, mountains, 3. This is almost looking to me like a head and shoulders. Do you see the danger, right? So if Sol BTC, I mean Solana, if Anatoly doesn't do anything, I think Solana is coming down for wave C. Very likely this could really be the end, right? I'm starting to see like celebrities getting involved. Not exactly A-list celebrities, right? Like C-list or Z-list celebrities getting interested into crypto. So I'm like, oh my god, the end is either here or it's very near. So it's very sad. Anyway, I think Solana will probably be dropping lower. So yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good to me, boys. Sol against USDT. Here we are for Solana. Sol USDT looks even scarier because for Sol against USD, I think we're getting a descending over here. Sadly. And then Solana could be zipping lower. Is there a possibility of things turning bullish from here? Sure, of course. But as it stands, no. I think Solana is coming back down. I think this is the end though. Sadly, I really honestly think this is the end. Potentially, right? I mean, of course, I could be wrong. If Solana breaks the skinny pink line, we're anticipating a wave C. Is there an off chance that things could just start reversing after clearing these lows? Of course. Are we still above the skinny pink line? Yes. So we still, of course, remain with our bullish bias. But if you were to study the past, you will see that before things collapsed, right, it gave us signals, bearish signals. But it doesn't always happen, right? This was in the midst of the bull run. Descending triangle, so you ran higher. Is there the same thing happening over here? A descending and we go higher? Sure. But I suspect there's major resistance over here. So we may have to come back down under the skinny pink line. Go for a small little bearish trend. And then 2025, we come back up. Something like that. So Solana is a no-go for me. Absolute no-go. XRP against BTC. And to be careful though, because if Solana drops, right, all the other Solana meme coins will be affected. Right? If, for example, Ethereum is still strong, but Solana is weak, the Ethereum, I'm just, assuming that the Ethereum meme coins will probably survive better compared to Solana. So something to keep in mind. XRP against BTC. Here we for XRP. XRP again. A weekly reminder that XRP BTC is in a gigantic mountain range, which we anticipate to collapse eventually. Left shoulder, head. This is as high quality as it gets. Right shoulder. We are under the skinny pink line. So we're anticipating XRP to truly collapse towards the downside. So I would preach caution about rushing into any trades towards the long side for XRP. Sure, there could be rallies here and there. I suspect we will see a strong rally back up. But we'll have to break above the skinny pink line with conviction. Then only do we switch to a bullish bias for XRP. Because XRP was once a number 2. And then it was number 3. And now XRP is number 7. I feel like XRP is on its way out of the top 10. As all the other coins gain traction and gain dominance, XRP is dropping. XRP against USDT. Here we are for XRP against USD. XRP. Okay, we got 2 fresh targets out of the oven. Right, we're anticipating something like a slanted type of a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. 22 cents, 15 cents. Oh my god. We're expecting these lows to be swept for XRP. Right? Zoop, zoop. Something like that. So, yeah, again, at this point of time, we're just not entirely sure when that's going to happen. It could happen now, or we could be consolidating a little bit more. Maybe collecting some liquidity, sweeping all the classes of buys over here before truly breaking. So yeah, there was already an attempt over here, but it was delayed, right, because of XRP's court case. They won it, but as it stands, if XRP did win the court case and if XRP was truly bullish, it would have continued, but it didn't, right? The price dropped even lower. Doesn't change anything, doesn't change the fundamentals of XRP. 22 cents, 15 cents. When we were here, right, I was already expecting sub 16 cents. Now that we're up and we're back here, I'm expecting 22 and sub 16 again. So yeah, we'll just adapt ourselves as the chart evolves, right? It's still a valid bearish chart pattern. So it's just not really looking that good. Not to me, so stay safe. Toncoin against BTC. Here we are for Toncoin. Okay, let's look at it on USD. Toncoin against USD is still bullish, in my opinion. We still have a target over here at $13.50. But this, this higher high kind of a development, we don't really like it. It's a higher high. Yes, sure, we could drop lower, but I don't know about this, man. This could be a head and shoulders, of course. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for Toncoin, right? And 1350 is still in the cuts. So there we go. That's our take for Toncoin. Dogecoin against BTC. We have for Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Dogecoin against BTC. There's a head and shoulders. We mentioned this. We suspect there could still be a little bit more downside. This whole thing could be an ABC kind of a chart pattern. Yo, bro. A, B, C, right? Or there could be 5 waves as well. There could be another lower low, right? But we're already at the higher time frame noisy area, which means that I think the strong reversal may not be too far away for Dogecoin against BTC. But yeah, again, we're still not entirely sure. Yo, bro, what's happening? Yeah, so this is the noisy area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before reversal? Yes, no? We're not entirely sure, but this is not bullish at all. Scary stuff. Doge against USDT. Doge against USDT is still above the skinny pink line. We are still in a bullish trend. We still have a clear target towards the upside. 30 cents. We're still loyal to our target. Again, we're still above the skinny pink line. So the bias is still bullish for Dogecoin against USD. But the moment we touch the skinny pink line, and we cross it convincingly, that's it. We switch bearish. So this would be this will be a disappointment to us if it did happen. We're anticipating the completion of an ABC. Right. We could take this low out, but we don't have much buffer though. So yeah, again, I preach caution for Dogecoin. I don't really see the strength yet. We could be very close to the bottom and a potential reversal could be in, but yeah, nope. I'd be careful. I would be careful for Dogecoin. ADA against BTC. Here we are for ADA. ADA is still in a downwards trend, but ADA BTC has a huge ABCDE in the making. How much lower are we gonna go? We're not too sure. Right. A B C. Ooh, DE. Right. And we break out. But there's a condition. We cannot take out these lows. We can take out these lows, but not this one. This okay, this not okay. So now here we are. It's best if we start reversing right now, but we'll see how it goes for ADA. Against USD, we are not really looking that good because for ADA, we actually had a target towards the downside. 34 cents, we're expecting it to drop lower. So ADA against USD, yeah, more downside because we're already under the skinny pink line. So the trend has already switched bearish for ADA against USD. All right, we spotted this descending triangle and it gave us a target at $34. 34 cents, 34.5 cents. Right, this is actually a similar chart pattern to here. Previously in 2022, we saw this if you've been following me since 2022. And we had a target over here at 26 cents. I remember I made this 26 cents. Bam! We dropped. Right, now the target's at 34 cents. So more downside is to be expected for ADA. It doesn't look good to me. Not at this point of time. Of course, the higher time frame on the BTC pair looks awesome. But on the USD pair, yeah, it's scary. It's scary. So I would preach caution for ADA. Alright, boys and girls. I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.